Afternoon, everybody. It's 6/3 of 2019, and what do we have here? WDAY. They reported a good quarterly earnings last week so that people understand that. And what they did was they gapped it up here in the minute that started to slide. And, during that earnings process, some of the stuff that they called was a little bit of alarming, and this thing has done extremely well. But we knew that when we had that gap down and we started to see where that news became the news to sell. So basically, we go, this is when they reported earnings: one, two, three, four. This is what we call a 5-day cycle. So from 217.50, and then today it dropped like a rock, and it did, and it went down $11.17 and whatnot. However, we will hit a good bottom on this one. And then what will end up happening in the option pit as a market maker, that's who I am, we'll go ahead and take it off of the bottom on the call side and get paid as well. Just remember that bear markets in general are much better than bull markets because you make a lot more money, because you get the big upside and you get the big downside. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and that's who you want to be. So we're going to be going ahead and we're going to take a look at what tomorrow's action is going to be. When it comes down and hits our support level, then we're going to get right in there and we're going to go ahead and take that trade. So the good ones that came off of their earnings late in the cycle, there's a lot of stuff going on and whatnot. So best of the breed can have some great moves down. It's all about what side of the market do I want to be on, what side of the market pays. It's really unfortunate that they don't have really good programs out there for people like you. You're retail, they're retail. So, I mean, it's really unfortunate. If I were you, if you're going to want to be in the market, you're going to be there, I think you should come in and visit us for 5 days and have a lot of fun, make you a little bit of money, and let you really see for yourself with your own eyes. I think you deserve that. You should pat yourself on the back and say, you know what, I'm going to do that. And I'll give you a little kick in your butt, but once you do, then you'll be surprised on what kind of new friend that you have here. And as we move through this year, next year, we all know that I called the bear market on May 1, and we are in bear correction already. I also said, though, that on May 12th, I believe it was, somewhere in there, it's on the YouTube channel here, that we were going to go into a super big bear market, bigger than you've ever seen, bigger than 2008. And that doesn't happen. There's 6 months between now and December 31 of 19. Now, that's a 6-month cycle, and then you tack on the other 12-month cycle in calendar 2020 year. Well, I can tell you one thing. I hope I get to know you. I already have what it takes to know that that's going to happen before it even happens. And there's a lot of problems around the world. There's a lot of problems in the U.S. They keep everything hidden from you. They try to make everything like it's all good. Well, bull crap. It's only good when the price is straight your way. Once again, very great name, WDAY. We really like it. We've been trading it for a while. We like the earnings that they come up with. So get involved today.